to fix Samsung Galaxy Tab S to not charging. If you clicked on this video, it's probably because your Samsung tablet isn't charging. The first thing that you can try is getting a toothbrush or toothpick and clean out the charging port. Another thing that you can try is using a different plug socket or charger or charging brick. You might want to try bending your charger and see if it makes a connection. If your battery is completely drained, you might not be able to charge it because when the charging symbol appears, the LCD drains the battery, not giving it a chance to charge. So what I recommend doing is charging with a power bank, opening the tablet and unplugging the LCD or replacing the battery. I had this issue, and instead of charging with 2.1 amps, I used a power bank and charged with 3.4 amps, which did the trick. Comment down below if this video helped you. I'll try and reply to all of your comments. Also make sure to leave a like to help recommend my video.